Hey guys, welcome back to Altium Designer. So in today's video we will go through how to create a panel in our project. So let's go to the section here to the project. Then we will want to click on our project with the right click on your mouse, then add new project, and after that we select PCB. Now it opens up new panel. Here we just now need to rename it and save it. So I will leave it like it is, PCB1, and save it in this project. And now it's in our project. I didn't rename it, but you can if you have more important project, and that's it. So this is how you create a panel. I hope this helped you out. If it did, consider to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.